Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echu, ache ogun ochosi osun, ache batala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochun, ache yemaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe, ache bobo ochas, ache bobo orishas. Through the process of Ifa divination, additional specific advice and above prescription information contained within the Odu that may apply to you can be revealed and interpreted by an experienced Ifa priest or priestess. This video will provide information about the Odu known as Ogbe Iroso, also known as Ogbe Irosun. Ogbe Iroso advises the person to which this Odu was revealed to refrain from taking a bad action in response to a bad action that was taken against you. Vengeance may temporarily feel like victory, but in the long run, it will influence your character in a negative way. This type of behavior has the tendency of taking away from you the opportunity to learn from experiences, both bad and good, and be able to navigate them in a positive way. Offer sacrifice to Ifa and Echu to help you navigate scenarios where you have an enemy with strong capabilities of bringing obstacles into your life. Ifa and Echu will defend you as long as you behave in an honorable way. Ogbe Iroso speaks about being aware of the people that have helped you in your life. Be grateful for those that have gone out of their way to provide you with assistance when you needed it the most. Return the favor when possible to show your appreciation and to help maintain a positive reciprocated relationship. Ogbe Iroso talks about success and prosperity in your career and or business. It also talks about success in business ventures involving partnerships with others that will help realize your success. Be mindful of individuals that have contributed to your success. Show appreciation and be grateful for any successful and positive partnerships you may have. Appreciate those around you that have been positively instrumental in your life. Ogbe Iroso speaks about success through strategic investments. Always calculate your risk prior to investing. Make sure you take your time to understand what you are investing in. Ogbe Iroso also speaks about making investments in people. These types of investments are about giving others the opportunity to demonstrate their abilities. Everyone has a starting point in their lives, and those that are successful have been given that opportunity to start somewhere. According to Ogbe Iroso, providing an opportunity for others where both of you can benefit from a mutually beneficial relationship will ultimately help you be successful in your goals. While on your journey to success, always remember to be grateful for all that you have. Don't forget the most important things that you may have are those for which money cannot buy. Cherish and nurture the priceless gifts that Ifa has provided for you in your life. Ogbe Iroso speaks about dreams with significant positive meanings. Some people have the ability to meditate and connect with the universe in profound ways that allow the mind to receive information that may be of value. This can also happen by way of dreaming. Take note of any dreams that might seem like they have significant meanings. It is sometimes difficult to remember all the details after waking up. Having a paper and pen next to your bedside may help to quickly make notes of any potentially significant positive dreams. Ogbe Iroso speaks about blessings of raising children in your life. Expanding your family is one of the priceless gifts we can receive. Raising children can be a tough job and can be challenging at times. However, the challenging times do not compare to how rewarding raising children can be. Protect your children, provide the wisdom you have learned in your life that will help them when they go out into the world when the time comes. Try to identify teachable moments as often as possible so that you can show them the way forward. Keep in mind there is no such thing as a perfect mother or father, but one that is present and providing positive influence is very important. Children are an extension of us and have the ability to carry forward our legacy. They will become what we show them. Ogbe Iroso talks about someone close to you that is valuable to your progression, valuable in your life. This person can be a friend, a husband, a wife, or a partner of some sort. Identify who this person is and show this person how you appreciate the value they provide in your life. Ogbe Iroso speaks about blessings of a healthy life and longevity. Ifa protects against long-term sickness and diseases. Do your part to ensure you do remain healthy and have longevity in your life. Eat well, exercise regularly, and sleep well. Stay away from substances that poison your body or interfere with your mind and your ability to focus and do well. Follow the basic principles of a healthy life, and Ifa will be there to protect you from what you cannot control. This will allow you to have a long life. Ogbe Irosun speaks about having faith in the Babalawo or Ifa for which you have visited to consult Ifa. They have revealed this Odu in an effort to help guide you towards your destiny. You can learn more about a Babalawo and a Ifa by clicking the link above or by navigating to the playlist named What is a Babalawo on this channel. You can also learn more about other relevant topics on Ifa and about the 256 Odu and their meaning by browsing the other playlists on this channel. Offer Igbo as prescribed to ensure longevity of life, blessings of family and prosperity in what you are involved in. Ogbe Irosun strongly advises to refrain from adultery. Engaging in illicit relationships outside of your own will bring nothing but negativity and will ruin everything you have worked to build and will break your family apart. Stay loyal and faithful to yourself and your family. This channel was created for the sole purpose of reaching all people from all walks of life that are interested in knowing more about Ifa beliefs and the Ifa divination system. With the permission from Orumila granted, we are attempting to provide good honest information that may otherwise be difficult for most to come by for various reasons. The honest intent and goal of this Ifa channel is to help people realign themselves with their destiny. Ifa helps people get back on track and towards what they were meant to be and do in their lives. Not all information within each Odu will apply. However, all the positive advice contained within the messages of each of the 256 Odu will help influence any person listening in a positive way. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you know that needs a positive energy boost in their lives. I say.